Hello, welcome to my channel Uma Chemistry. Today I will discuss the most important 5 marks questions for Karnataka second PUC chemistry. Now, according to the reduced syllabus, in 5 marks questions we have two topics, two parts we have. One is D1, second one is D2. So in D1 we have only physical chemistry and D2 we have only organic chemistry. Today I will discuss first in this video about physical chemistry, what are the most important questions for exam point of view. Now in physical chemistry, you know all of you how many lessons are there? 5 lessons are there. Each lesson is having one question. So in that again they will split the question 3 plus 2 marks. Now you see the most important questions which are maybe will give in that solid state lesson. You see the solid state. In solid state we have first question, calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic or face centered cubic lattice or closed cubic lattice. Now FCC or CCP, okay, right. Next one, BCC, body centered cubic lattice, okay, closed centered packing or face centered cubic lattice. In these three, any one will give for 3 marks question. Calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice or face centered cubic lattice or cubic closed packing lattice or BCC, body centered cubic lattice, anyone. After that, differences between crystalline and amorphous solids. The third question is differences between Schottky defects and Frenkel defects. Maximum here in these 3 questions, any one question will give for 3 marks and then the 2 marks part is problem will give. In some cases they will give, if they don't want to give the problem means we can skip this problem and they will give in this only 3 plus 2 like this. Anyhow the problem is mainly based on density calculation. We know the formula for density, D is equal to Z into M by A cube into Na. Here Z is the number of atoms per unit cell, M is the atomic mass, A is the edge length, Na is the Avogadro number. So here A will give in either in picometers or angstrom units or nanometers. If angstrom units, nanometers or picometers they give, we should convert that picometer or angstrom units or nanometers into centimeters only. Okay, centimeters. After that substitution. Okay, so these questions only most important for solid state. Okay, right. Now after completion of solid state, coming to the second lesson. In the second lesson, solutions. In solutions, so first of all part A they are giving problem compulsory. They are giving problem. That problem is mainly based on either Raoult's law or depression in freezing point or elevation in boiling points. In these 3 only they are giving one problem for 3 marks. Problem for 3 marks compulsory for solutions. Lesson name solutions. They will ask problem for 3 marks. That is part A. Okay, right. Raoult's law means you know P0 minus P by P0 equal to W2 by W1 into M1 by M2. So weight of the solute, weight of the solvent, mass of the solvent, mass of the solute. Here mass means here molar mass of the solute. This is molar mass of the solvent. This is given weight or mass in grams of solute and this is mass in grams of solvent. Okay, M is molar mass. Okay, these P0 and P vapor pressure of the pure solution, vapor pressure of the solution having non-volatile solute. P0 is the pure solution vapor pressure. P is the vapor pressure of the solution having non-volatile solution. Okay, non-volatile solute. After that, the second chance depression in freezing point or depression in elevation in boiling points. Depression in freezing point delta Tf, elevation in boiling point delta Tb. Delta Tf is equal to Kf into 1000 into W2 by M2 into W1. So here Kf, okay, constant here. K is the constant for freezing point, okay, abilioscopic constant, okay, cryoscopic constant, you know na, those are here, right? 1000, okay, constant. W2 same, mass in grams of the solute, mass in grams of the solvent, molar mass of the solute, that is equal to, okay. So Kf they will give delta Tf here. So difference between the two temperature values, always this value is positive only, so positive only, right? Now delta Tb is equal to difference in the boiling points. Delta Tb is equal to Kb into 1000 W2 by W1 into M2. So by applying these formulas, we can calculate molar mass of the solute. They are asking molar mass of the solute. Always they are asking molar mass of the solute. Either by using this formula, or by using that formula. So based on any one of these three formulas, they will give for 3 marks question. After that, theoretical question they are adding for that. In that theoretical questions, these are the main effect of the temperature on solubility, okay. After that, ideal and non-ideal solutions, after that, isotonic solutions, colligative properties and examples, definition of colligative property and example. So here azeotropic mixture, osmotic pressure, okay. So here isotonic solutions, colligative properties, ideal solutions, maximum these three. In these three, anyone is asking for 2 marks question. If they are not asked, then the chances are azeotropic mixtures, after that osmotic pressure, and finally this is, okay, effect of temperature on solubility, okay. Later we will discuss one more lesson. Now the next lesson is electrochemistry. So in this lesson, electrochemistry, here also problem will give point A or part A, problem will give for 3 marks compulsory. Solutions and electrochemistry pakka problems will give, maximum problems, part A. Part B is theoretical questions they are asking. Now in part A, the chances here the chances are E cell calculation or EMF of the cell calculation. EMF of the cell is calculated by using Nernst equation. We know the Nernst equation. So based on that, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N into log products concentration by reactants concentration. Here E naught cell they give directly. If directly not given means, you use that formula, E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, that formula you use, and then you calculate first E naught cell, after that you substitute here. N is the number of electrons consumed in that reaction, in the oxidation or reduction reaction. This is the constant value, and log concentration of the product side they will give concentration, that value, and reactant side concentration they will give. So products or reactants, anyone have a number of moles, then that number of moles value here you can take as power. Concentration power, 2 moles are there, 2 you can consider that concentration whole square. 3 is there, whole power 3. Here 1 is there, 1 only you can take. Like that, concentrations product side by reactant side, okay. That you consider here only number of moles are present for reactants or products, then those are taking as powers, okay. That is. Now after that, the second chance is Kohlrausch law, and based on that problem. The third one is differences between metallic conductors and electrolytic conductors. Maximum chances here these problem. After that, addition of these 2 marks questions, either this one Kohlrausch law definition or problem again, or here differences between metallic and electrolytic conductors, any two differences they will ask the chances. If these are not asking means here problems are also there here in 2 marks. Conductance types, specific conductance, molar conductance, equivalent conductance. So these are, after that limiting molar conductivity and Daniell cell explanation. So overall in electrochemistry, according to the reduced syllabus, maximum 50% of the syllabus is reduced. Okay, previous it is a big lesson, big chapter, so very difficult student will feel like that. Now it is very easy, so be practice, and very less questions we have, so here you will get easily 5 marks from this lesson. Just you practice this. Okay, now our next lesson is chemical kinetics. In chemical kinetics, maximum the most important questions is derive an integrated rate equation for rate constant of zero order reaction or first order reaction, any one, maximum for 3 marks question. So here integrated rate equation for rate constant of zero order reaction or first order reaction, one question, maximum 99% will give. After that, for this only addition, half-life derivation, 3 marks plus 2 marks. Okay, half-life derivation. So first order reaction is independent on rate constant na. So rate constant is independent on the concentration of the reactants. So that one prove, like that they will ask. Okay, so the chance is or zero order half-life reaction derivation, 2 marks. Okay, if it is not given, order and molecularity definitions with an example or differences between order and molecularity. After that, the third question is pseudo unimolecular reaction and its example. Pseudo unimolecular reaction and its example. If it is not given, the last preference here, rate equation definition and problem. Rate equation definition and problem. Problem how to calculate, you know na, R is equal to K into A power X B power Y consideration, and the given conditions applying, and then those here applications R2 by R1 we are considering, like that you will get the order of the reaction, like that the questions will ask. So anyhow, rate equation problem, definition with problem, or here pseudo unimolecular reaction example, order and molecularity differences, half-life derivations for zero order and first order reactions, and integrated rate equation for rate constant of zero order and first order reactions. If you practice these questions, maximum you will get from this lesson 5 plus 2 plus 1. So 8 out of 8 from this only maximum you can get, or 5 marks pakka you can attempt. Okay, so practice these questions and try to get 5 marks question easily. Now the next lesson is the 5th lesson. It is surface chemistry. The surface chemistry has no problems. All questions are theory questions only. Here the most important questions for 3 marks to give means differences between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption, which is also called as physisorption and chemisorption. That is the first question. After that, the differences between lyophilic and lyophobic salts. In these two, maximum one question is asking for 3 marks question. 3 marks. If it is not given, these questions, in these questions, any one question is also not there. The third chance is different. If they want to go means, then what happens during the adsorption in delta Z or delta H or delta S? Changes in delta Z, delta H, delta S during the adsorption process. It is a different question. To this 2 marks question addition, 3 marks maximum, these only 3 marks. After that 2 marks addition, these definitions: peptidization, Brady's arc method, dialysis process, Tyndall effect, Brownian moment, electrophoresis, coagulation and coagulating methods, and then Hardy-Schulz rule. Definition or application on Hardy-Schulz rule, or coagulation and coagulation methods. Okay. Electrophoresis, Brownian moment, Tyndall effect, dialysis, Brady's arc method, peptidization. 3 plus 2. Okay. theory questions only. Here no problems. So anyone will feel the problems are difficult for us means you can choose. This is the best option for you. Okay, right. So in this maximum I discussed 5 lessons in physical chemistry. From 5 questions you should attempt only 3 questions. So any 3 what you feel very easy and very happy to write, that one you choose and get 15 out of 15. Okay, all the best. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.